Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max case. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So basically the case is honestly wrapped up, but they also probably got a little warranty card as well. Let's take out the case first. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the case looks like. So obviously when you guys do the case, you can definitely see through it. And if it's the first time using the product, you do want to peel out this back part right here. But we'll just keep it on for now. But you see right here is basically the opening for the camera lens. And then if you guys look carefully right here, it's lifted up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys look carefully inside the case, they do have that airbag technology. So that way if you guys accidentally drop it, you definitely have that protection on here. And for the material that they use on this case, they do mention how it shouldn't get yellow over time when you guys do use it. And if you guys look carefully on the corner right here, they do have the protection as well. So that way if you guys accidentally drop it, you definitely have that protection on the outside and the inside. And if you guys can see from the slide, the actual case is actually pretty slim. But I'm actually put it on the phone first to show you guys what the product looks like with the phone on. So all you need to do is just clip it on. And once you guys do put it on, here is basically what the product looks like from the back. Right here is basically what the product looks like from the side. If you see, they do have the compartment right here for the buttons. Same thing for our side right here. And they also have the opening right here in the bottom. And then right here is basically what the product looks like from the slide. If you see, it's actually very slim. And when you guys do grip the phone, it does give you guys a good grip. So that way there's less of a chance for the phone to slip off your hand, which is pretty nice. So that is basically what the case looks like once you guys do put it on. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And it does give you guys that all-around protection like I mentioned. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this case, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality clear case that can use for your iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.